And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking towards the south there, and we're looking at this side of the street, which from this camera angle things look pretty dry, but if we spun it around you wouldn't even be able to see the street because it's so covered with rain and drizzle is what we're calling it right now. 2 degrees is where we're at, and that is our daytime low. Not the high. The high was at 6 a.m. when we were at a balmy 12 degrees, and then the wind shifted. Oh, all that cool air rotated down. Look at the temperature, though. Just across the Continental Divide, double-digit values. Here, though, not the case. We've got that northerly pull. The dividing line is really the jet stream that runs right along the Continental Divide, so it's just a quick drive into BC, and you're looking at some better conditions. On this side of the Continental Divide, though, there is some active weather, and as you can see on the satellite picture, it's all moving to the southeast from the northwest. We talked about this yesterday. That was going to be the trajectory, and that's proved to be the case. Areas like Whitecourt, 12 centimeters on the ground already. We're not expecting that much snow, and that heavy snowfall is going to kind of burn itself out, but we are seeing the precipitation continue to push down to the southeast. It will do so in the overnight hours. Tomorrow morning, we'll probably wake up to a bit of that dusting that sticks to the grass, and it's still wet on the pavement. That sort of thing is what we're expecting right now, but temperatures are going to get chilly, so we've got that mixed precipitation that we're dealing with right now, and that's starting to push south, and then also some pockets of precipitation further east that are already making their way further south. But as the forecaster is indicating, there's the mixed precipitation making its way from the northwest to the southeast, and we'll see that continue overnight tonight and into tomorrow, of course. By tomorrow afternoon, we should start to see things break up. So we'll have the reverse of today, tomorrow. Today we're having showers turning to snow. Tomorrow it'll be some leftover flurries in the morning turning to showers in the afternoon. And then by the time we get into Friday, we're looking at a drastic change. 19, 20 degrees for a daytime high, and lots of sunshine as the jet stream pushes just that far east. 8 degrees in St. John's right now. We have some frost situations through the Maritimes in southern Quebec. Other than that, though, just a mixed bag of conditions there as big low pressure center is still trying to rotate out of the province of Quebec, dragging down some precipitation as it does so. And then you get out west and look at the change in values. We've got single digit numbers. Winnipeg 6 degrees, 2 degrees in Regina, 3 in Saskatoon, -1 already in Edmonton, 20 degrees. That's just cruel. In Kelowna, 12 degrees with a sun and cloud mix on the coast in Vancouver, 3 degrees in Whitehorse right now, cloudy skies there, also cloudy with some drizzle in Yellowknife at -1 degree. Overnight forecast tonight, East Kootenay, you're looking at partly cloudy skies tonight, 1 degree for a low, mainly sunny, and 13 degrees for you tomorrow with a west wind at 20. Crow's Nest Pass, periods of snow tonight, 0 for a low. Tomorrow, chance of flurries in the morning, and then should be seeing a sun and cloud mix by the afternoon hours. Medicine Hat looking at that shower flurry mix overnight tonight, -1 for a low. Tomorrow afternoon, sun and cloud late in the afternoon, hoping for some of that to break through. As I said, tomorrow's kind of the transition day. Start off with some leftover flurries, and that's what we're looking at here tomorrow. Leftover flurries in the morning, and then hopefully some clearing skies later in the afternoon, but we are expecting that precipitation tonight to change from rain to shower activity. Now there's your 5-day forecast, and what a difference a couple of days make. Look at this, 19 or 20 degrees. Some forecast models are putting it at 20 now for Friday. Lots of sunshine, temperatures holding very nice, very steady through the weekend is what it looks like right now as an area of high pressure moves in. So yeah, looking pretty good. I'll just cover the day that we really don't want to see, and then we'll just look at those very nice temperatures. But yeah, that chance of leftover flurries tomorrow, and then we're looking at some clearing skies later in the afternoon. Now, this is not a riddle. If you have fall allergies and you partake of these, maybe there is a connection there. These fruits, experts say, contain proteins that your body interprets as being pollen. So if ragweed affects you in the fall and you're eating these, maybe this is contributing to your allergies. Check with your doctor always. And that's our Live Better tip for this week. Have a good evening, everyone.